video, we're going to learn how to cancel the validated invoice in Oracle Fusion using REST API. This is a very important topic for anyone and everyone who are working in Oracle Fusion technologies, including integration or some other freelancing projects. We will cover complete API payload structure and common errors and how to fix them, and working real time example. So make sure you're watching the video till the end. First, we already created the invoice previously, so I'm gonna use that invoice. For that, I'll go to Payable Invoice and I'll search with the invoice number. If you see this invoice is already validated. So I'm gonna cancel this one. To cancel this one, we need a REST API. In Oracle Docs, they already provided a REST API. So I'll copy this REST API, and this is a response payload structure. You can refer this. Already having the structured payload in my notepad. So I'm going to use this one. I'll copy this payload and paste it inside the REST Postman application, and also I'll append my URL with the REST API. Now I have to provide this payload content type, because it is a content header based. We have to provide the header details. So we have to select the content type as a key, and value is already provided in the website. So I just copy pasted the value, and I'm gonna run this one by clicking the send. It is a post one, so I selected the post, and now I'm clicking on a send. So we will get a response like this. Now I'll go to the ERP instance and I'll just verify this invoice is cancelled or not. I'll go to search and I'll search with the same invoice number again, and I'll click on this invoice, and this invoice is cancelled. This is how we have to cancel the invoice. If we don't have any content payload, it will throw an error. I'll show that error. I'm deleting this header and I'm trying to send. So you can see, guys, we are getting this kind of issues, like the HTTP methods are not populated. Some kind of issue will get in get as a response. So we have to provide this header value. It is a mandatory for this. Uh, That's why we have to provide content types. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video.